I've always been hesitant about buying furniture online, especially something as important as a sofa. But the styles and prices on Dusk.com were too tempting. I took the plunge, and here's my honest Dusk sofa review. Pros. Style variety. Dusk has tons of options, modern, classic, everything in between. I loved being able to find a sofa that fit my exact taste. Price. Compared to traditional furniture stores, Dusk was more affordable. I definitely felt like I was getting good value for the money. Delivery. Boxed sofas are a game changer. I live alone, and getting it into my apartment was a breeze. Assembly was surprisingly easy too. Cons. Firmness. My sofa is firmer than I expected based on showroom testing. I'm getting used to it, but it's not sink into comfy. Fabric durability. This is a longer-term question. My sofa seems well made, but I'm a little worried about how the fabric will hold up with pets and kids in the future. Customer service. I haven't had to contact them yet, but I've heard mixed reviews about their responsiveness. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.